If you're looking for a top-down seamless cardigan that's a little bit more versatile, then the Dacite Cardigan is going to be exactly the one you're looking for. This cardigan is using either a worsted, like a heavier worsted, or alternatively an Aran weight yarn. So it knits up fairly fast, but it's not a very heavy yarn. The reason it's so versatile is it's actually got a couple of different looks. In fact, when I was actually displaying this for the first time, someone looked at the photograph with it closed like this, and then the second one with it worn open, and they thought it was two different cardigans. So the first one is where you've got it folded over like this with a folded collar, and the whole front is closed across, so the two buttons are closed. Alternatively, if you wear it open with these buttons open and pull these further back, it creates a waterfall look at the front. So really different, and it works very well both ways. It's a fairly straightforward cardigan because you're starting from the top down. We are introducing a few little short rows to raise the back up. The fronts are all in garter stitch with an integrated I-cord along each front here. So that's all done at the same time as you're working, so you never have to come back and do it after the fact. We're going to introduce a couple of single row buttonholes here. So again, fairly straightforward. They all happen in one row, and then you're going to keep working down. There's a little bit of waist shaping at the back, just to the back, because it pulls it in on each side, but the front garter stitch remains the same. The collar, you can see, is a little bit taller so that it actually folds back very nicely, and it all finishes off with that I-cord edging here. Sleeves, you're going to come back to afterwards and work from the top down, and you've got a garter stitch finishing here. So you've got a few more things here. You've got a couple of ways of wearing it. You're going to learn how to do short rows here. You're going to learn how to do a little bit of waistline shaping, and we're going to introduce those single row buttonholes. This is the adult version. There is another cardigan that you'll get within the workshop that is called Thirsty Rose, and it is a child's version of it, but with a couple of changes. There's some of the details that aren't in here, like the I-cord edging. It's just got a straight edge, but the shape and the actual design of it would be the same as this. So if you prefer to work it as a child's version, then Thirsty Rose is going to be a good place to start. Now, if you quite like the idea of the cardigan, but perhaps you want to take it another step again and add a few new techniques, then I have got another cardigan that I want to share with you in the next video called the Soaring Cardigan, where we're just going to take another step into our top-down raglan journey.